hope the uni-mind still works for you guys.
We are one. Our mind link has been restored. All is as it was. To infinity and beyond!
I can't believe we captured Agent Z.
Yeah, I can't believe he turned out to be Buzz's dead partner who wasn't really dead.
Yeah, that too.
Amazing.
Easy, fellas. I know I've exceeded all performance expectations.
It's not that, XR. You're almost human. So many character flaws.
Okay, you know what? Let's just say amazing and leave it at that.
Well, Lightyear, you managed to save the universe again.
It wasn't just me, sir. Zurg almost won. In fact, he would have, except I had backup.
Well, of course you had backup.
Because everybody needs backup.
It's in the manual. Section 6, subsection Gamma.
Got the message, guys.
So who's your partner gonna be, son?
Don't worry, Commander. I've made my choice. Team Lightyear reporting for duty, sir.